Hello everyone. This video would show us how an admin can approve feeds using our web panel. So as you can see, we have opened web.wasm.com. Admin can log in using their respective credentials. You can click on OK, login. This we are using the credentials for demonstration purpose. So once you log in, this is the home page comes on your screen. This is the dashboard, and from the left panel, left column, please go to feeds, the third option from top. If you click on feeds, you'll get further drop down as feeds status. Please click on that. Now you can see there are no approved feeds for the day. So on the right corner, it will give the option to choose different mode of feeds. So approved feeds, unapproved feeds, rejected feeds. And on the left you will get the option to see the feeds depending on the status type, depending on the status for the day, this week, and for the month. So if you click on this week, you get to see all the approved feeds for this week. If you click on this month, it would reflect all the approved feeds for the entire month. Now let's change the status from the right drop down. So if I click on unapproved, these are the feeds which are posted by the teachers are awaited for admin approval. Now after going through the feeds, admin can easily approve from this panel. Also, if there is any attachment with the feed, admin can always go ahead and click on that and it will reflect the attachment. So the admin can validate if it is a correct feed or post, which and admin becomes sure to post it further, so they can click on approve. Now recently we have also introduced a feature where a feed can be posted real time or a feed can be scheduled to get posted. So we have both the feeds in both both the ways we have a teacher has posted. So we have examples for both. So we have feeds awaited for approval which has been posted recently. So and it can be posted real time, which is not scheduled. So if I click on approve, it will prompt post approved successfully. Click on OK, and that's it. So this feed would start reflecting on the feed list from Wasm app immediately, and here it will also come under this week for the unapproved one. Now if you click on approved, so if you click on today, this is a feed which has got approved right now. This will start reflecting for this week. It will also come under this week and it will also show under this month. So further, let's go back to unapproved feed. Now here, if you click on approve, this also shows the time when the post has been made by the teacher. So if you click on approve, it will also prompt OK. However, this feed got approved, right? But it will not show here immediately under approved. Why? Because that feed got scheduled for a specific time to get posted. So that is the reason it's not showing. The moment it will get posted according to its scheduled time, it would start reflecting from this panel. Now this particular panel can also be accessed by the teachers as well. provided they have got the privilege to view it, which is set by WASM. So teacher can also log in with their own respective credentials and can get to see all the feeds which are awaited for approval as well. So now teachers as well as admin can view the feeds which are awaited for approval and also got approved. Thank you.